Hi guys, I'm Aaron Eller. I'm the founder and owner of Cash Offer Man, a local home buying company located right here in St. Louis. We buy houses all across the St. Louis metro in any condition for cash. And today we're talking about fire damaged houses. So we come into contact with a lot of property owners that, have a fire damaged house, whether it's a small kitchen fire or a total tear down. We are happy to make you an all cash offer and buy your house in any condition. So the important things that you have to look for is number one, the severity of the damage. How, is the house recoverable? Is it fixable? Or is it, fully uh, just needs to be torn down? And then you have to look at insurance. Is your insurance going to cut you a check? Are they going to, make you do repairs? Are they going to allow you to sell it? So we're happy to work with you. We're happy to see your options and give you an option so that you can just have a cash offer in your back pocket if you do want to sell it. So if you guys have a property that was damaged by fire in any condition, no matter, the smallest fire damage to, completely fully engulfed house, we will come view the house, the property, and make you an all cash offer today anywhere in St. Louis, from St. Louis City, St. Louis County, Jefferson County, St. Charles County, Warren and Lincoln County, and even on the Illinois side in the Metro East. So we're entirely local. Our office is located right here in St. Charles at 4620 South St. Peters Parkway, St. Charles, Missouri, 63304. So if you have a house that you want to sell that had some fire damage, give us a call at 314-912-4939 or head to our website at cashofferman.com. And I look forward to meeting you and talking to you and seeing your property and giving you a cash offer the same day. Thank you guys. You guys have a great rest of your day.